Hello, this is Simon, otherwise known as GundamUK, and this is my 4,000 subscriber giveaway video. Now I'm going to do this giveaway in two parts, one over on my Instagram channel, there's a link below to that, and the other is going to be right here. So if you would like to get hold of one of these, which is of course a high grade Barbatus Lupus, then do head over to my Instagram channel where I'll be giving this one away. And here on my YouTube channel I'll be giving away a Gundam Sky, Riku's mobile suit, a high grade model kit. And I'll also be giving away two of these very rare Polystone collection dioramas. One featuring a Zagok and the other featuring a Dom, which replicate famous scenes from Mobile Suit Gundam. So if you would like to win any of these three items, then just comment below just something funny, because that makes for a really good video when I do the selection of the winners. And if you would like to win the HG Barbatus Lupus, then do head over to my Instagram channel. I'll be picking all the winners on the 4th of August. That's not this Sunday, but next Sunday. So you've roughly got 2 weeks. So that's about it from me. I'd just like to say thank you all for subscribing to GundamUK. It's been an absolute privilege to make videos and show off what's going on my desk at any given time. At the moment I'm of course still working on my hand painting skills, so I'm busy painting these tiny Space Marine figures. I do have something really cool coming up at the beginning of August, but I'll wait until then to make that announcement. I also have several commissions on the go, so if you're interested in commission work then do head over to GundamUK.com. And of course if you're after any kind of any extra bits, any detail parts, any tools, that kind of thing to help with your Gunpla modelling, especially if you're in the UK or in Europe, then do head to GundamUK.com. I also have some Uniqlo HG kits in stock, so do check it out. I'm always adding new things there all the time. So that's it for me for now. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.